If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed for your future self. Listen closely. Quiet discipline creates loud outcomes. Consistency is doing the work long after the excitement leaves. Stop waiting for results to believe in yourself. Results are not the beginning, they are the byproduct. Self obsession, real self obsession, is not vanity, it's devotion. It's choosing yourself when no one is watching. It's showing up for your goals on ordinary days, not just emotional ones. You don't wake up one day transformed. You wake up one day consistent. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, clarity over chaos, growth over comfort, you deposit something into your future. And most days, nothing dramatic happens. No applause, no instant reward, no validation, but something invisible is forming. Your focus sharpens, your confidence stabilizes, your standards rise, your tolerance for nonsense drops. That self obsession working quietly. Results don't come from motivation, they come from devotion, from reading instead of scrolling, from training when you feel lazy, from practicing your energy instead of explaining yourself, from repeating the same boring habits until they start producing extraordinary outcomes. This is why most people quit, because the results lag behind the effort. But the ones who win, they fall in love with the process before it pays them back. Self obsession is waking up and asking, what does my future self need from me today? And then doing it. Even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. Because one day, quietly, unexpectedly, you look around and realize your habits changed your identity changed your standards changed your results. No outcomes, no magic, just devotion compounded over time. So, don't underestimate today. Don't dismiss the small choices. Don't rush the reward. Your devotion is being recorded by your body, your mind, your confidence, and your future. Obsess over becoming disciplined. Obsess over alignment. Obsess over the woman you are building when no one is clapping. Because results don't chase people who rush, they arrive for people who stay. And one day, the life you work quietly for will speak loudly for you. So, if today feels quiet, if nothing spectacular happened, if no one noticed your effort, good. That's where real results are born. Because devotion doesn't need an audience, discipline doesn't ask for permission, and growth doesn't announce itself until it's undeniable. Every time you choose focus over distraction, every time you kept your word to yourself, every time you showed up without applause, you were rewriting your future. Not loudly, not dramatically, but permanently. You may not see the results yet, but your nervous system feels them. Your posture carries them. Your decisions reflect them. Your standards quietly enforce them. This is the phase where most people doubt themselves, but this is also the phase where identity is locked in. So, don't abandon yourself now. Don't negotiate with old habits. Don't shrink back into who you used to be just because the new version hasn't fully revealed herself yet. Stay devoted. Stay obsessed with alignment, not outcomes. Stay loyal to the woman you are becoming, even before she is visible. Because one day soon the result will arrive not as a surprise, but as a confirmation. Confirmation that you don't quit, that you don't fold, that you didn't betray your own evolution. And when that day comes, you won't need to explain your success. Your presence will do it for you. Thank you for being here.